According to mythology, the Jagannath Rath Yatra, often called as the Jagannath Puri Yatra or Festival of Chariots, is one of India's largest and most significant festivities. It usually takes place on the Dvitiya Tithi, which is the second day of the bright fortnight of the Sharad Paksha. It starts for this year on June 12th with the Snana Purnima, which is the ceremonial bathing of the deities, and followed by a resting period called Anavasara from June 13 to June 26. However, this year, in different parts of the world, the Lord decides to meet his devotees as and when he pleases, and that's how we are here to celebrate this moment. The main Rath Yatra procession, where Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra are taken out on their respective chariots, will be on June 27, 2025 in Puri, India, and we eagerly look forward. Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. This is Seattle Desi TV reporting live from Hemanji's and Mansiji's humble abode, where the Lord has decided to take to the streets to meet his devotees. You can see a diverse group of people come together in deep devotion for the Lord, singing and dancing as the procession goes on the streets and back to a beautifully arranged area where all the devotees come together, sing for the Lord. We also have Prabhujis offer their wonderful pravachans, and the whole atmosphere is just filled with love. We have a lot of volunteers here who have put in hours of work in making of the rath, in preparing the food, and everything. The execution is flawless end to end. Please look forward to some exclusive footages and bites as we cover this beautiful, auspicious moment end to end.
सुनो सुनो क्या कह रहे हैं सुनो कोई पतली मोटी रे रसिया कोई पतली मोटी रे रसिया कोई लंबी कोई छोटी रे रसिया कोई लंबी कोई छोटी रे रसिया जोगी रज में हरि हरे राम हरे 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 राम 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 हरे Okay, boys. Radhe, Radhe.
Jai Jagannath. This is Peony Patnaik from Seattle Desi TV, and we have today Kanhaiya ji, who actually created this beautiful Rath this year, and he has been doing this year on year. Kanhaiya ji, what is your motivation behind making this Ratha? How was the entire process? And yes.
So Hare Krishna, thank you very much. Lord Jagannath Baldev Subhadra ki jai. We have been doing this for like maybe 35 years. But the Rath making and Rath building, we just started a few years ago. And this motivation just came to me, by a devotee. There was a devotee, who did his, he made his Lord Jagannath Baldev Subhadra. So I was thinking that if he can make it, maybe I can make it too. There's a big story behind it, how it all turned out to be, but I'm just gonna keep it short. But Lord Jagannath Baldev Subhadra, I also carved them. He gave me opportunity to carve Jagannath Baldev Subhadra himself, and then after that, it just every year the things started to come along and bigger and bigger and bigger. To begin with, we had a very small cart, and then next year is going to be really huge. This year we had some glitches here, but it all turned out to be good.
Oh, this looks beautiful. We have it swanked by swans, and
Yes.
then we also had horses when we
Yes.
did the procession.
Yes.
And so,
We did this all, all came out of Jagan. Krishna says that I am the intelligence among intelligent, and so I believe that he's the one who's giving me intelligence and the strength to pull out these beautiful carts. And I wonder like how how I came up with this idea. And Boita Festival, we did it for a year, and then you came up with the swan ideas,
Jai
and
Jagannath.
we implemented it together. So some of the people in Orissa
The Odia
helped
community.
us. Huriya community helped us
Narayan ji is here
decorate it.
as well.
Narayanji Bhai is here, so they helped us decorate the temple and the nice Patachitra thing. So it came out all beautiful, and this is a very like a traditional design that you see on the Rath. And since I'm also in construction, so nothing is fulfilled if I'm not doing my service for the Lord. So this is my service for the Lord, and I think he will
I think
enjoy
you're
it.
very
He enjoys
selfless
it. Uh,
in making the Ratha with so much devotion. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Kanhaiya ji. Thank you.
Thank you
And
very
Jai Jagannath. We have Kanhaiya ji here, and this is just such a gorgeous day.
Thank you very much.
This turned out
We
to
just
be.
went to Puri.
Yes,
We
please
just
tell
went
us
to
a
Puri
little
and-
about it.
Well, we went to Puri and we took Lord's Darshan, and it was just ecstatic. I can't even.
I think you
tell
were meant to do this, and
yeah, and all year long I meditate on how I'm gonna do this better, how I'm gonna put Lord on this Ratha and everything. So, this the entire meditation, that the thing that I do, it comes into the manifestation by all of our friends' efforts, and give me some strength
and the
stuff.
volunteers who
Volunteers,
decorated.
who decorated. Mansi and Hemant,
They're the hosts.
oh yeah, they hosted the whole thing. They decorated the whole thing, cleared it up, vacuumed it, and then over there they spent about like 2 days decorating the whole temple. So yeah, that was about it.
We have Kanhaiya ji from Crisco Construction who did a beautiful job with the Ratha. Very, very devoted Jagannath devotee here. Thank you so
Oh
much.
well, thank you very much. Thank you. If we call ourselves a devotee, then I think we are limiting the definition of a
what should we
devotee.
call ourselves?
Well, we are aspiring devotees. We're trying to be a devotee, but we are not completely there yet. Thank you.
Jai Jagannath. We have Mansi ji from the Silver Learning Center, and also the host today, Hemant ji and Mansi ji, have hosted this beautiful event today for the Lord Jagannath. So, Mansi ji, tell me, you have been doing this year on year, you have been hosting at your home. I'm sure it's not easy at all. What is your motivation? What is your inspiration behind all of this?
When we met our Srila Gurudev for the first time in 2007, our goal was how to get everyone to be happy. And there was just no one right answer. And when we got to know a little bit about Krishna and the service attitude that can really give us happiness, I think when we serve the community, when we are here together, then it really helps us get that true happiness.
I think it's so heartfelt to just see so many members of various diverse communities come together for this. It's just like something is pulling them here. What do you think that is?
Love. One word for it. Absolutely no other word. There are no restrictions. There are no pre qualifications. There is no good or bad, this or that. You come together. Let's sing, let's dance, let's chant. Let's have good prasad, because guess what? We're very happy when our tummies are full.
Absolutely.
So, love, I think, is the thing that binds us
Binds.
all together.
That is so beautifully put. What were the most special standout highlights of today's event, according
Well,
to you?
First thing was our Jagannath ji decided to do a little bit of a leela, and we had a little bit of a rocky start at the first part, and then I think everybody just rushed to save and help, and I was taking a minute, but everybody was there. And I think that showed people that I'd seen for the first time. I didn't even know who they were. They were all here just helping carry him, come here. So many people brought in so many things, people that I had never seen in my life. I think that's the power of community, and
That
that's the
is.
power of service, that you don't need someone to say, hey, it's my home. So actually when you introduce to say, hey, this is Mansi's home, I would take it a different way and say, when we host a community event, it becomes a community
Community
home
home,
for
yes.
that day.
No, we
Everybody is
definitely
welcome.
feel like that. We feel very welcome. We feel like we just belong here. Thank you, Mansi ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming.
Jai Jagannath. This is Peony Patnaik from STTV. We have with us Kunal ji and
Ravi Berry.
Ravi Berry. Ras Bihari Das ji. And they are ardent devotees of Lord Jagannath. We want to ask them how they're feeling today and what really has bonded them to Lord Jagannath. And please talk about your visit to Puri also.
Oh yeah, of course. Thank you so much first, and Jai Jagannath. First of all, the visit here, I mean, it's Rath Yatra, right? So, I mean, being that close to Srila Jagannath, Subhadra, and to Balramji, it's very, very unique opportunity. So it's great. We're here with all the devotees. And, you know, I have a unique bond because of my parents and our association with Srila Krishna. We've gotten very close to seeing Jagannath Ji. I've seen him when I was younger. I've seen him actually last year, which was a surreal experience for me because not only I felt like obviously it's part of Char Dham, so you know it has a very special place in the heart of everybody who's Indian. But more importantly, it feels like you're actually seeing all the devotees, all of the demigods, all the gods, and the darshan over there is unparalleled. Like you know, you're constantly getting pushed back and forth by everybody there. There's so many people, but once you're in the temple, everything fades away.
Yes, it
The
does.
only thing you're seeing is just you and your connection with Jagannath Ji. His big, beautiful eyes are staring at you, and you feel like everything, all your worries, everything just melts away. And then you eat the prasadam. So my visit over there was like very unique because I got a chance to see the flag change as well. And I got a piece of the flag from there. So, I mean, I still hold that very near and dear to me. I mean, it's just transformation.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Kunal ji. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.
This is Peony Patnaik from STTV. We have with us Hemant ji. As you know, Hemant ji and Mansi ji host the beautiful Rath Yatra from their home every year. They call this a community home. And this is such a great service for all the Indians here. And actually, this is a very diverse community who comes together to celebrate Rath Yatra. Hemant ji, what is your motivation behind this? How this thing came into being and what really drove you to do this every year?
Nothing, just we want to serve the Lord. We want to have Lord darshan to everyone in the community. And since Lord has given us this property, so we thought it's a better use of this property so we can serve Lord more better and serve the devotees in the community. That's the basic purpose.
Oh, it's so beautifully organized year on year. What are your challenges? And do you really feel that there are no challenges at all and things just come into?
Things just come into place. There is no challenges. Lord arrange himself, and devotees come and help, and everybody helps, and yeah, it just
The
automatically happens.
Absolutely, the kirtan and everything. It's so magical here today.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for
Thank
your time. Thank you. Jai Jagannath. This is Peony Patnaik from STTV and we have with us Saket ji and उनकी पूरी टीम जो बहुत अच्छे से आज procession के time इन्होंने गाना गाया और जो है ये devotees है. I want to ask them how their experience has been today or you know what brings you why choose music to you know for an occasion like this.
So thanks everybody for joining us today. The occasion was very spiritual. जैसे कि कहते हैं संकीर्तन, तो भजन हम लोग अपने मन से खुद बैठ के करते हैं, but संकीर्तन is with the community, the whole community, which is a spiritual community here in Seattle, and we are very blessed that everybody was part today, and we enjoyed a lot in the procession of Jagannath Swami Ji. जगन्नाथ स्वामी जी महाराज की जय हो।
सब आपने बहुत ही अच्छा जो है म्यूजिक का माहौल किया जिसमें सब मग्न होके डांस किए तो थैंक यू वेरी मच थैंक यू एंड होप यू कंटिन्यू विद द गुड वर्क
Thank you, sir.
नमस्ते
हरि बोल हरि बोल
Jai Jagannath, this is Peony Patnaik from STTV. Today we have with us Narayan Bhai. He's a very, very respected member of the Odia community, and actually he leads the efforts from the Jagannath Society of PNW with the Ratha Yatra year on year. It is so lovely to have you here, Narayanji. And can you please tell us a little about the Jagannath culture and what brings everyone together, and the celebration in Puri, the celebrations that occur here, why it's important, and a little bit about that.
Yeah, thank you, Peony. Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. Yeah, like Prabhuji just said, he is Jagannath. He is Jagannath. He is Lord of Universe, and everybody wants to see him, touch him. I mean, live with him, and that's why Prabhu comes once in a year during Ratha Yatra to the Grand Road of Puri, that is called Badadanda. So it is said, Rathetu Bamanang Drushta Punarjanma na Vidyate. That means if you see Lord on chariot during Ratha Yatra, you will not have a second life. So we are away from Puri Sri Kshetra. So that's why I think we should be part of Ratha Yatra here, so that we also can live with the same experience, and we can also have an opportunity to pull Lord's chariot on a road. We cannot participate in Puri during Puri Rath Yatra every year. So I think this is a golden opportunity for all of us to pull Rath Yatra. Like he said, in Puri Jagannath temple, not everyone can visit inside. So the 3.5 kilometers of road from Jagannath temple to Gundicha Mandir, Gundicha temple, which is called Mausi Badi, the house of Mausi of Lord Jagannath, otherwise the parents. Lord Indradumna and Gundicha are the parents, considered the parents of Lord Jagannath. So Lord visits 3.5 kilometers in chariot, so that others can see, touch, pull, and enjoy the celebration. That is why Rath Yatra is very important. Jagannath Sanskriti is very big, very vast. I mean, I cannot all
Say
explain
this
here,
in a short time.
but the significance of Rath Yatra, what I said, is considered. The sloka I said, Rathetu Bamanang Drushta Punarjanma na Vidyate. So there is a little before that. It's called Dolescha Dolo Govinda, Chapescha Madhusudanam, Rathetu Bamanang Drushta Punarjanma na Vidyate. There are 3 occasions. If you see Lord, there will be no second life. There is called Dolo Jatra, we see Dolo Govinda. There is a chapa, means boating in a pond. That time chapa is Madhusudana, you see Madhusudana, and Rathetu Bhamana. Bhamana is one avatar incarnation of Vishnu. So in the chariot, if you see Bhamana, that's 3 occasions. If you see experience in this life eyes, there will be no second life. That is the significance again to narrate. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.
Thank you, Narayan. Thank you so much. That was very insightful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Jai Jagannath. This is Peony Patnaik from STTV. As you can see, all the devotees are enjoying the beautiful prasad. And I have my dad visiting from India, my father, Jyoti Prakash Patnaik, and he was the ex-Advocate General of Odisha also. Dad, how are you enjoying the prasad? How are you enjoying today actually?
Today is a very big and very auspicious day of particularly of the world, where Lord Jagannath prepares himself to come out to visit his devotees, and the food is actually it is a prasad. So nothing to say bad about the prasad, because it is as it is very good and very tasty.
Sattvic and
Sattvic,
beautifully
yes,
done.
yes.
Done with love by the
And
devotees.
also, I thank the organizers
Yes.
to bringing the Indian culture
The
through
Jagannath culture.
Jagannath culture, Indian culture through these functions. particularly Kanhaiya ji. He actually, I am impressed by his devotion. Thank you.
Thank you, Dad. Hi, this is Peony Patnaik from Seattle Desi TV. We have with us a very sweet devotee. What's your name?
Hari Bimohini Devidasi.
How are you feeling today?
Oh, so blissful. It's been really nice with all the devotees. Everybody's been super happy and super warm having the darshan of Lord Jagannath here at this beautiful compound at Hemat Prabhu's house. And by the mercy of the Vaishnavas, the Maharaj is Shripad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhanti Maharaj and Shripad Bhakti Vedanta Padmanabha Maharaj. We've been able to do this Jagannath Rath Yatra festival. And I mean, it was very blissful.
It's
and I'm
blissful.
feeling very blessed to be here.
Oh, so lovely to know. Thank you so much. Peony Patnaik from Seattle Desi TV. We have a very lovely devotee here. What's your name, sir?
Ananda Krishna Das is my name.
Nanda Krishna Das ji. How are you feeling today?
Very good. It's beautiful to have so many devotees of all different types of backgrounds here in Seattle, Washington, and all coming together with Jagannath and these two Maharajas that have blessed us with their presence.
I know it's such a peaceful and lovely day.
Yes.
I think we are just soaking it all in.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Jai Jagannath, this is Peony Patnaik from STTV. We have with us Shripad BV Siddhanti Maharaj ji, and we're so blessed to have you here. The pravachan was so wonderful, so blissful. Maharaj ji, how is this, the mission of spreading the Jagannath culture, and how does it speak to you, and how does it motivate you day on day, every day, to do this and spread the love?
Jai Jagannath. This culture is very ancient culture. Not some years back, it's from Satyuga. The world famous, the universe famous temple, Shri Jagannath temple in Jagannath Puri, built by King Indradyumna and his dear wife Gundicha Maharani. And this culture of Jagannath is from ages. But 500 years back, Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he came to Jagannath Puri, he changed a culture, a style of Rath Yatra, where his followers and all devotees were chanting in front of Lord Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath, and he gave us a detailed understanding who is Lord Jagannath, is Krishna. But we see Krishna is always standing three-bent form, but here we see Jagannath is just straight, big dilated eyes, big smile on his face, and this is a wonderful and fantastic form of Krishna, Jagannath. So Jagannath Puri, I'm very familiar with Jagannath Puri. My spiritual master, my Guru Maharaj, he used to live in Chakratirtha in Jagannath Puri, near Bedi Hanuman. We have a temple there. And he lived in this world 102 years. So he was very much devoted to Lord Jagannath. And by associating with him, we came to know about the culture of Lord Jagannath from Jagannath Puri. So I've been many times, I visited Jagannath Rath Yatra and I used to live there for many months. And I'm familiar with so many places of Lord Jagannath Puri.
Oh, that's wonderful. How is your experience being here, and Hemant ji and Mansi ji hosting this lovely event? They do this every year for all the devotees in the area.
So I'm coming here since many years. And once upon a time, we were just sitting and I just introduced this. I initiated this. Let's do Jagannath Rath Yatra here. And especially on the day of Rath Yatra in Jagannath Puri, we should do on that day.
The same auspicious
day. That should be the tradition.
Absolutely.
But then he expressed me that many people and devotees here in Seattle and other places, they go to Jagannath Puri. So we left with no one here.
That's very true.
That's very true. So that's why then we said, okay, then any Sunday then, because in Western world it's different. In India we can just celebrate any time, but in Western world we always looking for weekends. So I spoke to him and we are doing this since for 5 years now, and we are planning to do this in a more elaborate way. And I'm already inspiring them. Let's do it in downtown, inviting the whole Seattle.
Yes, absolutely.
participate.
I mean, that would be
Even though I know
quite an
this is
event.
not the Tithi according to the Rath Yatra, but we in Western world here, these people have no other option. I don't want them to get bereft of the mercy of Lord Jagannath. They should know who's Jagannath. It's a very special.
And like they say, Jagga Chahile in Odia we say darshan diyanti.
Yes.
You will always get darshan of Jagannath if he wants you. I mean, today Jagga wanted
Yes.
everyone to come and get blessed by him.
So I think if anyone devoted or get inspired, they must go to Jagannath Puri and have darshan of Lord Jagannath there.
Bilkul.
But as the custom in Jagannath Puri, only Hindus are allowed. So there are many Western people who can't go in the temple. And that's why Lord Jagannath Patit Pavan, he came as a Singadwar
He came, yes.
for extending his darshan to those who can't go
And
inside.
you can see how devoted they are. I mean, so many non-Indians here. It's
Yes.
just, it's God is so universal. Now
Yes.
our Jagannath is, he wants to bless them all, and that's why you can see this diverse
Yes.
community coming together and singing and dancing. And
Yes. So this is my my meditation. That Patit Pavan Jagannath who came from outside at the Singh Dwar, a lion gate, to extend his darshan for those who can't go. Similarly, Lord Jagannath here and all over in America and Europe, wherever we're having Rath Yatra, there's another manifestation of Patit Pavan Jagannath.
yes,
He wants to give
yes.
his darshan
Yes.
and wants to pull and attract everyone towards him.
Absolutely,
Because
absolutely.
without him, we have nothing. Lord Jagannath is our everything.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Prabhuji. That was so insightful, such a so heart-touching and heartfelt. Thank you. Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. This is Peony Patnaik from STTV. We have with us Mansi's daughter Navya, the lovely Navya today, literally with her beautiful chants and bhajans, renditions. She led the Ratha procession, had everybody on their feet. Navya, where do you get this energy from? And tell me, like from childhood, was it something that you were really exposed to, the music around the Lord?
Absolutely. Today it was all from Jagannath ji, all the blessings from everyone around us and all the energy for sure. And yeah, since we were growing up, we would go to the mandir, do kirtan at the mandir. And there's something when you do kirtan that just takes you to out of your head a little bit, and you're not thinking about, oh, like, am I doing this wrong? Like, I'm not trained in music at all. So it just like putting all of your
You're
love.
not?
At
That's
all.
so good.
Thank you. So it's just about putting all of your love and all of your energy
Yes.
and just doing the best you can for Krishna, and just thinking like, okay, if I sing, I'll make Krishna happy, so no matter what, just put your all into it.
Yes, I mean, you guys are so lovely. The way you the family, you come together, you get everyone together from so many communities. I'm sure Lord Jagannath has blessed you to do this and will keep blessing you. Thank you. Thank you so much for doing this interview.
Hare Krishna, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Jai Jagannath. This is Peony Patnaik from STTV. We have with us the lovely food prep team led by the efforts of Mansi ji, Noble Gupta ji. As you can see, unka to haath bhi, she's a little bit hurt. But Noble ji, please tell me, how was the whole process? And you have been doing this every year with so much dedication, devotion. कैसा आपको लगता है खाना पकाना, सबको खिलाना and the whole devotion?
खाने के लिए जगन्नाथ जी का जगन्नाथ जी की रसोई कितनी फेमस है। सो जगन्नाथ जी के उसमें अपने आप हमारा मोटिवेशन आता है खाने के लिए, हमारा कभी खाना कम नहीं होता है और सारे अपने आप पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं कि भोजन बने। तो जगन्नाथ जी की कृपा से हमारी किचन में कभी कमी नहीं आती है, फूड आता रहता है। हम पहले गूगल शीट पे मानसी जी डालती हैं तो सारे साइन अप करते हैं, पर बिना साइन अप के भी लोग और लेके आते हैं, और जो साइन अप किया होता है उससे ज़्यादा हमारे पास आ जाता है फूड। सो ये जगन्नाथ जी की कृपा है कि हमारे पास फूड की कभी कमी नहीं रहती है।
हर बार इतनी वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड होती है, सबको खाना मिलता है, सब बड़े अच्छे से खाते हैं इतना अच्छा खाना, तो ये तो ब्लेसिंग है। Lord Jagannath's blessing on you, and you have a blessed hand to cook and feed everyone so nicely. And thank you, Manis ji. And this is Mansi ji's sister, Varsha ji. They're so lovely. And Jai Jagannath. Thank you.
जय जगन्नाथ।
Jai Jagannath!